Tán, mo kí yín o, ẹ ṣé tẹ́ tẹ́tí sí mi. Èmi náà ni o, èmi tiyín ní tòótọ́, àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ. Èmi àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin akéde mi tèwe tàgbà káàbọ̀ sí abala Mofeko Ede Mi torí kíkọ́ ni mímọ̀. Àkòrí ọ̀rọ̀ wa fún ẹ̀kọ́ ìní ni Ojo Ose. Hello everyone, Aitale Abiyamo welcomes all Akedes to Mofeko Ede Mi. Our lesson for today is all about the days of the week. We're gonna be learning about the names of the days of the week. Yes, Yoruba language and indeed the Yoruba culture do have their own days of the week, which are named and called appropriately. Come along with me. Monday, Ojo Aje, Ojo Aje, Monday. Tuesday, Ojo Ìṣẹ́gun, Ojo Ìṣẹ́gun, Tuesday. Wednesday, Ọjọ́rú, Ọjọ́rú, Wednesday. Thursday, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Thursday. Friday, Ọjọ́ Ẹtì, Ọjọ́ Ẹtì, Friday. Saturday, Ọjọ́ Àbámẹ́ta, Ọjọ́ Àbámẹ́ta, Saturday. Sunday, Ọjọ́ Àìkú, Ọjọ́ Àìkú, Sunday. Each of these days in the Yoruba culture, each of these days has a particular orisha dedicated to it, in which they are being worshipped. But now in the modern days, they do. That is for the traditional religion and practitioners. They do it. But today, generally speaking, these are the names that we call the 7 days of the week. Kí ni nǹkan tí mò ń sọ? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ ilẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òtù òjíire àti gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ adúláwọ̀, ó ṣe pàtàkì fún wa láti mọ orúkọ tí à ń pè àwọn ọjọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀, àwọn bíi ọjọ́ ajé, ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun, ọjọ́rú, ọjọ́bọ̀, ọjọ́ ẹtì, ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta, ọjọ́ àìkú. Orúkọ táwa ń pè àwọn ọ̀sẹ̀ títí wa nìyí. Nínú àṣà ìṣe àti èdè Yorùbá. Akedes, so for you to remember the days of the week, there's actually a brilliant song that will help you remember the days of the week. And it goes thus. Àìkú, Ajé, Ìṣẹ́gun, Ọjọ́rú, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Ẹtì, Àbámẹ́ta. Àìkú, Ajé, Ìṣẹ́gun, Ọjọ́rú, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Ẹtì, Àbámẹ́ta. So a quick recap. In this lesson, we've learned about the days of the week, and it goes thus. Monday, Ọjọ́ Ajé, Ọjọ́ Ajé, Monday. Tuesday, Ọjọ́ Ìṣẹ́gun, Ọjọ́ Ìṣẹ́gun, Tuesday. Wednesday, Ọjọ́rú, Ọjọ́rú, Wednesday. Thursday, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Thursday, Friday, Ojo Eti, Ojo Eti, Friday, Saturday, Ojo Àbámẹ́ta, Ojo Àbámẹ́ta, Saturday, and Sunday, Ojo Àìkú, Ojo Àìkú, Sunday. So, Akedes, keep saying it. Ẹ máa bá mi sọ, ẹ máa bá mi jẹ́ lẹ́nu, ẹ máa bá mi yiri ẹ̀ wò. It doesn't matter if you don't get it at first. Listen to it again. Keep saying it. Keep repeating it. Keep applying it. Embrace your mother tongue. Say it in your mother tongue. Yoruba is rich and beautiful. So, could you buy low? Wait,